Hey, what's up? So we're starting this project here outside on the land that we got. What we're doing today is going to be clearing out some of the grounds where we're supposed to build our house at. So we rented this little mini excavator, and we're thinking it's going to help us a good amount clear some of this. We got, I think, like probably 12 trees that we got to clear out. Some we already chopped down. Just thinking it's gonna make it a little bit easier, and yeah, we're gonna get to it, start chipping away, and hopefully have a good area to put our soon-to-be home, future home. So yeah, so this is what we got. This is our little mini excavator that we rented from Home Depot. Pretty cool. This is another project we got going on. Supposed to be a little storage, but I don't think that mini excavator is gonna help us with that. I think we're gonna need a little bobcat. So yeah, but let's go check out the back. Hey Tara, where are you going? Tara! She's on a mission. Uh-oh, I hear the kids. Here they come. Their little puppy. So, as you can see, there's these little flags that we have pinned everywhere. And those just indicate where, more or less, hey, what's up, Donnie?
Hello.
More or less where our house is going to be. So our house is going to be about 50 by 100. And it's going to have a 25 foot by 25 foot little, I don't know, car parking area.
Garage.
A little roof. It's not a garage, it's a little roof. And these two, this is just the back road that's we're going to travel to get to the backyard. And then the front of the house will be all this way. What's up? You brought your gloves to help out?
Mm-hmm.
Sweet. Let's see what we can do with this little excavator. So yeah, so our house is going to be from this flag to that. That's the back corner, front corner, and it goes all the way up to where all this cacti is at, and then all of those trees back there. What, Donovan? You want to help the excavator? You're gonna ride it?
I'm gonna ride it.
You're gonna ride it too? All right. Well, we can all try it. Of course, I'm gonna help y'all. Oh God, we're tripping everywhere.
I'm not.
Somebody should clean that stuff up. Yeah, you can see here. This is where me and Sabrina started chopping up these trees, thinking it's gonna make, and Lila helped us out too. Think it's gonna make it easier for us. So we're gonna see. It looks like it's kind of loose dirt or loose sand. So we'll find out right now. So we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We did 6. So after those 6, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 more trees after that. So, yep, I guess we're gonna get to it. You think we could do this house? How long do you think it'll take us to build this house? 3 years?
3 years, 2 years. Wait.
I told mommy 2 weeks.
2 weeks?
No, I'm just kidding. I am lying.
Princess?
Yeah, that's what I said about the storage shed, right? 2 weeks.
Daddy.
What's up?
I thought Princess was a mice.
You thought Princess was a mouse?
Yeah, she's going super fast.
Yeah.
I couldn't tell that.
She kind of looks like a little rat. All right, let's go get the excavator, guys. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, but I do have to clear out this whole area right here of cactus. Only because from that corner to that flag over there, all of this is going to be our garage. And the doors are going to be opening up on this side. So that's going to be a problem right there with all that back there. So once I get it cleared out, I have more than enough room to drive around and get into the garages.
I got something.
You got a Spina?
Yeah.
You got a little sticker?
Some of my shoe out.
Oh.
I
I don't know. Let's go. Oh, look at Tara.
Look at Princess.
Look at Tara. There's Donnie, ready to go for a ride.
First I'm going though, right?
What?
First I'm going.
First you're going. How about none of y'all stinkers going? I drive it to the back by myself. Better. All right. So yeah, this thing can definitely kill you if it hits you. So steer clear of it. Y'all want to put some of this cactus away? We're just gonna drive forward. Yeah. Yeah, that took it a good amount, right? Watch your eyeballs. Hold on tight. All right, let's try to take out these stumps. All right, let's try to take out these stumps. We're gonna head that way. What? You wanna get on? All right. Let's get over there. Let me park. All right, come on, Donnie. All right. Oh, dude. All right, these are. It's going nowhere. Yeah, I have no clue what I'm doing at all, so I don't know how to make this work. I kind of feel like an expert.
I see no one better than you because you know it all.
So instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble.
So yesterday, it got pretty late on us, and we were still out here for a while. But I kind of did I did do all of this stuff blindly right here. Literally, I had a little flashlight on top of the excavator roof, and I was just plowing on right through all of this stuff and pushing as much out of the way as I could. I mean, for the most part, all that cactus is out of the way, and now I can reach this back fence, so I can pull some lines or pull some measurements off of that fence, so I can have a parallel wall right here where the house is going to be at. So that way, at least I'll be parallel to that fence line, and it'll be a good start. Yeah, I watched a couple explanations on that, so let's see if I can figure it out.